This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Do not miss out on this home. 4-bedroom 2 and bath home in the heart of Virginia Beach. Open concept floor plan, complete with living area, kitchen, dining area, laundry room, and primary bedroom with updated bathrooms throughout. Large driveway space, with a huge backyard and patio space for entertaining. Conveniently located to interstates, shopping, restaurants, and the oceanfront beaches. For more information, review the details below.